day everyone, my name is Chichi Chilelo. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for those of you that have subscribed, gracias. Today topic, you want to know? Listen now. Today topic is for all those jealousy people. Jealousy na bad spirit. Na spirit wey be say me and you know say na the highest spirit for all the whole evil spirits. Jealousy. Some people don use jealousy destroy their life. Some people don use jealousy lose connection. Some people don use jealousy lose better marriage. You dey busy, dey jealous your sister, dey jealous your brother, dey jealous your friend, dey jealous your cousin, dey jealous your person wey una dey work together for the same office. Those time wey you dey use dey jealous, why not dey pray say God, I tap for this person blessing. If you fit bless this person like this, I know say my own go pass in Jesus name. Why you dey jealous your fellow human being? Your friend marry better husband, you dey jealous am. Why you no pray make God give you the one wey even better pass that your friend own? Your friend get better job, you dey jealous am. I watch one video for Facebook, I cry. Find sweet girl out because of jealousy. Spirit of jealousy dey her friend body, poison her friend because of say dem give am promotion for work. Once I come across that video, I dey cry. That kind beautiful soul don go because of jealousy. That's why I dey always talk say make una know the kind of friends wey una dey keep. Make una know the kind of friends wey una dey keep, because friends. If you get any friend wey get spirit of jealousy, go far from am, because that one fit kill you before your time. Husband dey jealous im wife. Wife dey jealous husband. Mama dey jealous im fellow neighbor because of say their children dey progress. You go come make dem, they go come go dey do useless things. That money wey you dey take dey go do useless things, go native doctor, make this person pikin no good. You be God? I dey ask you. You be God? You be God? You see, day wey break, you know wetin go happen. Tomorrow carry belle, heavy one. Me and you no know wetin e go deliver. You dey jealous person pikin. You know maybe na that person pikin go help your own pikin to stand for life. You dey go do useless juju dem, go native doctor, make this person pikin no marry better husband. Destiny can be delayed, but it can never be changed. If God don destine and say that girl go marry better husband, nothing wey you go do. You go just shift am, make you no marry the second class. You go come marry first class. Now you shame go be im own. You dey jealous your fellow human being. Your friend wey see you say you dey suffer, that your friend no dey sleep, you dey hustle, dey press. Oluwa go come involve am, you go come dey heavy am. He go still pity you. Come say my friend, come chop, give you, say bring account. You go give am account. Come give am story say dem don block the aza wey dem no dey block. Na e reach your own turn, dem block the aza. Why you wicked? Why be say jealousy full your body? You wan dey chop alone. Friend wey manage call you say my friend come follow me chop. You dey vex, you dey jealousy no gree you. You dey block way make e no come. If that person see better business wey go even pass that one, he go give you. I dey ask you, he go give you? He no go give you now. You no know say if me get, you get, that other person get, enmity go reduce, peace go dey, because you dey okay, I dey okay. That other person dey alright. If you bring, I bring, that person bring. Peace go dey. Enmity no go dey. But only you one day be, one day shine. Even star these days sef no dey shine last. If you don shine, you go comot make another star come shine. Only you. You wan dey chop alone. You wan dey eat alone. Dey jealous your fellow human being for no reason. Your friend pikin wey dey progress, you go dey do nonsense meeting, go dey do nonsense jazz, make the pikin dem no progress. You be God. You be God. They do nonsense jazz up and down. They jealous your fellow human being. Some people don't take, because of this jealousy, destroy their marriage. Because they're too jealous. Before they know, they don't pour at their fellow human being acid. Even kill. Which man go won't kill person will be murderer? Which man will still continue to dey marry person will be murderer? Wey be say all your target na to dey keep people wey dey talk to your husband. You don't know if dem dey date am o. Your own target na to dey fight people wey dey greet your wife. Everybody wey greet your wife don dey toast am, don dey sleep with am. Dey do one kind useless jealousy. You no dey respect yourself. That jealousy na bad spirit, na the highest spirit, na the spirit wey be say na im dey lead, na im carry all the whole spirit join body. Because you too jealous. Some people dey use, because of jealousy sef, kill their self. Where dem go wan kill their rival, dem go kill their self. You dey born girl, your other wife, your co-wife dey born boy. You take, because of jealousy, go do one kind juju to scatter those children destiny. You be God. Na your own children destiny good to dey perfect. Out of jealousy, you kill all your brother in-laws dem. Make dem no follow you drag your husband, chop inside your husband sweat. Kill everybody around you. Dey kill jealousy. You and your fellow human being do business, your brother do business, you kill am. Make only you chop everything. Jealousy join greediness. Make una dey watch o, make una dey watch. These jealousy people, you know where dem dey end? Their life dey useless. Their pikin dem, they no dey get head, because they don use their hand buy course put for their head. Their children go come chop inside the course out of jealousy. They jealous your fellow human being, say they progress. Saying na only in dey build house, na only in dey born fine children. You be God. God wey give am fine pikin dem, wey give am fine boys, fine girls. Pray make that God give you your own. No jealous your fellow human being. Your sister dey progress, then they give am promotion for office, you dey jealous am. Dey target how you wan take comot am for life. If you comot am, only you go get this life. When you no go die, wetin go be your gain if you kill that your person wey dey give you business? You don block that way. You think say people no dey know bad people? Then they know. You no know. Then they know, because that. So far you don dey kill, you go dey smell for your body anywhere wey you go like this. Dog sef go dey bark, fowl go dey chase you, small pikin sef go dey, I hate this uncle, it's too evil. Because the spirit go dey coven around you, spirit of jealousy, death, everything go dey coven around you at the same time. I know so many people wey don use, because of jealousy, destroy their life and their pikin life. Wetin you go gain? If you no born, dey pray, say make God give you. If you no born, those children wey dey motherless baby, wetin do them? You no fit go carry one. Take good care of them, make them become your own. I know so many people wey no born, wey adopt, and they are happy. You dey jealousy, they jealous your fellow girl. Say na only she boy dey come. Only if una go out like this, na only she dem dey see. If una go out like this, na only she dem dey toast. Na she create herself. Because she carry spirit of nice as a spirit of good things for her body. Na why men dey see am dey follow. You comot that jealousy, make dem see you also. Jealousy dey make woman you go quick old. Wrinkles go full your face. Jealousy go make man you go quick old. Veins go full all your body. You no go look sweet at all. You go see 40 years old man. You go be like 90 years because of jealousy. What will you gain? You, I dey talk to you wey be say all your life na to dey jealous your fellow human being. Anybody wey come back from abroad na to pull am down you dey find. Person wey dey build house na to go bury charm there make you no finish the house out of jealousy. Dey jealous am. Those money wey you dey take dey do those nonsense jams and juju, why you no gather am? If na fence you dey mold, dey take a block you dey mold to take dey build small small. If na 10 years e take you to build am finish, you get your own house. Dey do all those nonsense juju out of jealousy. Una dey smell me o. Those jealous people, una dey smell me. You know yourself. If you know that your friend wey too dey jealous your progress, tag am. I dey talk to her. Wey be say e dey always envy you. If you know that your friend wey be say e dey always envy you say you dey progress, tag am. Na him I dey talk to. You no dey shame. You dey follow. You dey pikin wey you know the day wey dem born am. You dey jealousy am. You know her mission on earth. You know wetin God create the person for, wey you dey jealousy am. Some people themselves, you no fit dey package yourself well. If you package yourself well, you go jam better things for your life. But no, instead of you to dey use that money dey package yourself, dey look good, dey do well, dey wear better, no, na to use am dey do one kind juju wey dey go dey